How to survive the first 48 hours when the property is gone. The cities are silent and your fridge smells like a crime scene. No lights, no signal, no hum of anything except your stomach growling. The street's darker than your future, and the neighbors are already eyeing your candles like it's currency. This isn't a waited-out blackout. Your next 2 days decide if you're alive, or a side quest in someone else's survival story. Step 1. Water. Your pipes still have pressure. Steal it all. Fill bathtubs, buckets, even that trophy you never earned. Boil it if you can. Distill it if you can't. Steam equals safe. Steam equals not dead. Step 2. Food. Eat the fridge first. It's dying faster than you. Then freezer. Then cans. When you're gnawing on dry rice, you've officially joined the club. Step 3. Light and fire. Oil lamp from a can, oil and a sock. If it burns, congrats. If it explodes, congrats twice. You've made a distraction. Step 4. Information. Crank radio, walkie-talkie, or that old MP3 player. Because music is morale and morale is survival. The first 48 hours aren't about thriving. They're about proving you're stubborn enough to keep breathing. Panic later. Boil water now.